What if I told you that Six Flags Great Adventure delayed their 2026 product for a good reason? Hi guys, it's Mack Machine here. I just wanted to make this video saying that, there's a lot of negativity about Six Flags delaying their 2026 project, which is Kingda Ka's replacement. There's actually was for a good reason. So some of you may know, the Kingda Ka replacement was supposed to be a Mack Extreme Spinning Tower, which means it was going to be like a shuttle coaster that goes over 420 feet. And it's like a street spin style, like the Ride of Happiness. But the problem I have with that, how much I love that idea, the major problem I have is that it's low capacity. Then you can operate one train on that. So it's like, why would you open two shuttle coasters back-to-back years? Since this year they open Flash Vertical Velocity, which is the Super Boomerang, which is a shuttle coaster. So they added two low capacity rides back to back, and this is supposed to be Kingda Ka's replacement. That's not gonna look good for the Six Flags company. It just won't look good for the Six Flags company if they did it like that. So it got delayed for a good reason, I believe. According to what I heard from a source, that it's gonna be a full circuit coaster now, a record-breaking full circuit Mack Extreme Spinning Coaster. That's what I'm hearing. It's probably not gonna be the 400-foot tower or like a 400 feet tall, but I'm having faith that's gonna be the first ever Mack Extreme Spinning Coaster Giga Coaster. But I have a feeling it's gonna be the first ever Mack Extreme Spinning Giga Coaster or first Mack Extreme Spinning Hyper Coaster, since they haven't made a Hyper Coaster version of this ride yet either. And it's very interesting to see what's gonna happen with this coaster. I think it's for the better, since they could load more for the Mack Extreme Spinning rides. They could probably have like 3 trains. It's a launch coaster, so that's more efficient than tank lift one. But you probably could have 3 trains, more efficient just because it's a launch. And there's 2 seats in the front, 2 seats in the back of each cart. So, and I believe Ride of Happiness has 4 carts. So they could load like 16 people over like 2 minutes, pretty much. Or let me double check on that on the roller coaster database. I'll get back with you guys in a second. So according to what the roller coaster database says, I'll see if it'll focus on this. But it says that has 2 trains with 4 cars per train, and you can fit 4 people per one. So I'll do the math for you to find out. Yeah, 16 is the number I got. I got 16 from this phone. So you can load 16 people at once. The restraints are easy. It's similar to the restraints they have on the one I like a lot, the Stardust Racer. It's like very similar restraints as Stardust Racer. Then you can load people in front and back. Like they have 2 seats in the front, 2 seats in the back of the cart. So it's not very overly high capacity, but it's better than having a shuttle coaster where you can only operate 1 train. And if a Great Adventure was smart, just because how busy they could get, they shouldn't get 3 trains for it, honestly. Or I think they should go out and get 3 trains for it. But it's not going to be like the Time Traveler. I think it's going to be more like Ride to Happiness at Plopsaland, Belgium. It's not going to be like a control spin. It's going to be free spinning. That's how they should do it. They should make like the vertical like top hat, or like a top hat to pay homage of Kingda Ka on there. I'm not sure if they actually will do that, but they should. But I'm just very, very excited for this project that they're working on. I really think this is going to be a good thing for Six Flags Great Adventure. It could be a very good thing. And like I said, I don't know why I did all this at the beginning. I don't even know why I was pro for this. But adding 2 shuttle coasters back-to-back years, it's like very low capacity, those shuttle coasters. Anyway, it won't be, is they make like a turntable station. So when people get off, you can load them onto the turntable and have multiple trains. But the Mack Extreme Spinner record-breaking ride that you can get instead. And I'm not sure if I could call this Beyond 2026 or Project 2027 now, because they're making a massive Mack Extreme Spinning Coaster. I'd rather them take their time and make sure it works right. I felt like with Siren's Curse, they rushed it, and it's half the effects, or like the tilt, keep on breaking down. It's broken down more times than since the ride's been open, or more days than the ride's been open. That's the last time I checked. It broke down like 43 times, and the ride has only been open for months. It broke down like multiple times some days. Some days it didn't break down, but then it broke down like 4 times another day. But rather than take the time, make sure the ride works perfect. And like I said, do not give Six Flags Great Adventure hate for this, because this is actually for the better. I feel like it'll be just more operation friendly. It'll be better guest experience this way. But just don't give Six Flags Great Adventure hate on this. You give them hate for canceling Holiday in the Park, but Don't give them hate for this. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like this video if you like this idea that Six Flags Great Adventure is doing, and subscribe to my channel if you just want more coaster or theme park content. See you in the next video. Peace out.